Welcome to Narayana ATMs. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget and press the bell icon. You will get daily updates of my channel.
Hi, today we are going to discuss about AP 10th Mathematics Chapter 1 Real Numbers. So numbers plays very important role in our daily life. So numbers are classified into different categories according to their use. So before going to learn the real numbers, first we have to know the some numbers. The first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Set of all 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 and so on. So natural numbers are denoted by capital N. So natural numbers are is nothing but counting numbers. The next number system is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. So capital W is equal to set of all 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on. So whole numbers is nothing but counting numbers plus 0. If 0 is together with the whole natural numbers, you will get the whole numbers. So next one is integers. So integers are denoted by I or Z. So set of all negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So integers is nothing but if you add negative numbers to the whole numbers, you will get the integers. The next one is rational numbers. Rational numbers. So rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. Capital Q is set of all x such that x equal to p by q, where p comma q belongs to integers and q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. So rational numbers, example 2 by 3. So it is in the form p by q. P means numerator, here numerator integer. Q means denominator, here denominator integer. And also q not equal to 0. Denominator should not be 0. Here 3 value not equal to 0. So 1 by 7 and 1. So 1 is also a rational number. So 1 can be written as 1 by 1. And 2 also rational number. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 0 is also a rational number. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So rational numbers are two types. So rational numbers two types. Rational numbers two types. So one is terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. Second one is non-terminating and repeating decimals. Non-terminating and repeating decimals. So terminating decimal, example 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 value 2.5. So after decimal point, the digits are terminating. So non-terminating and repeating decimal 10 by 3. So 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 value is 3.3333 and so on. So this can be written as 3.3 bar. So if you observe the decimal part, the 3 is repeated and repeated again. So it is a non-terminating. The decimal part is non-terminating, and after decimal point the digits are repeating. So it is a non-terminating and repeating decimals. So 5 by 2 is in the form p by q. 10 by 3 is in the form of p by q. 5 by 2 is a rational number and 10 by 3 also rational number. So rational numbers two types. One is terminating decimal, another one is non-terminating and repeating decimals. So the next one is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are denoted by q dash or s. Q dash or s. The definition: irrational number example and definition C. So irrational numbers is nothing but non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Non-repeating decimals. So example, root 2 value. So root 2 value 1.4142 and so on. So it is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. So if I write 1.01002304 and so on. So if you see the decimal point, so any set of digits are repeated? No, there is no set of digits are repeated in the decimal point. So it is a non-terminating. The decimal point is non-terminating, and if you observe the decimal point, so any values are repeating? No. So it is a non-terminating and a non-repeating decimal. So next one are real numbers. Real numbers. So real numbers is nothing but rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, you will get real numbers. So see the Venn diagram for this real numbers. So n means natural numbers. The natural number contains 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if you add 0 to the natural numbers, you will get the whole numbers. If you add 0 to the natural numbers, you will get the whole numbers. This box indicates the whole numbers. And if you add negative numbers to the whole numbers, you will get the integers -3, -2, -1. So this is integer set. And if you add, so in between the values -1 and -2, you will get the rational numbers. So these are rational numbers. So next one is adding irrational numbers, q dash, irrational numbers. So combining these two numbers, you will get a real numbers. This total set is a real numbers.